Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will practice my procedure text. Okay, everyone. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Alief Eriadyahningrum with student ID number A1C221026 from class regular 1. And today, I will show you how to make my version instant noodle. Yes, you heard that right, instant noodle. So, without further ado, let's get right in. But before we know the step to make instant noodles, let's look the ingredients and tools first. So, the ingredient is water, instant noodle, egg, sausage, and the tools is pan, sieve, spoon and fork, scissor, bowl, knife, and cutting board. Then, let's go to make instant noodle. First, turn on the stove. Second, put water in the pan. While waiting for the water to boil, cut the packaging to remove the noodles. After the water boils, put the noodles into the pan. Then, put the eggs in the pan too. Next, slice the sausage using a knife and mix it with the noodles and egg. While waiting for the noodles and egg to cook, cut the seasoning first and then put into the bowl. After the noodles look soft, turn off the stove, then remove the pan and put the noodles in bowl. Stir the noodles with a spoon and fork so that the spices are evenly mixed. And finally, the instant noodles are ready to be served. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to stay happy. Goodbye. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.